Looking for a staycation in Metro Manila? Share ko lang itong naging staycation namin dito sa Vivere Hotel and Resort, kung saan nandito rin yung famous The Nest Dining in the Sky. Ito yung restaurant na nasa 31st floor ng hotel na to with a breathtaking view of the skyline of Alabang and Metro South. Sa gabi, meron ditong live jazz band. Ayan yung equipment sila nakatakip. May free parking sa basement. Tapos umakit lang kami sa lobby para mag-check-in. May security deposit sila and better cash yung ibigay nyo. Para pag check-out nyo, cash din nila ibabalik sa inyo. Yung right side na po yan yung main entrance ng hotel. Tapos, etong right side naman nito, nandyan naman yung elevator from basement and elevator paakyat. Bibigyan kayo ng keycard for the lock of your door. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa floor ng ating room.